Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we'll try a little short, easy division problem here today.
Easy, I can't long divide.
Well, if you know your multiples of 4, this is an easy problem. If you don't know your multiples of 4 but can read a multiplication chart, this is an easy problem. As we move into division later, not yet, just give a little jump of a head start here, see what we got. As we move into division, no matter how big the divisor is, I'm going to ask you to list the multiples of the divisor.
That takes too long. I hate it.
I don't care. Yo soy el jefe del mundo.
What does that mean? What?
It means a word.
So now, I've listed my multiples of my divisor. And when I divide, I can use this list to help me put my numbers in my quotient. Quotient is the answer to a division problem. And I go through this one step at a time, looking at one number inside the dividend at a time. Emily Kate, does 4 go into 2? No, it doesn't. I cannot have a number above the 2. There should not be a number above the 2. No. Because that would mean 4 is going into 2, and 4 doesn't go into 2. Luke, does 4 go into 27?
Yes.
Yes. That means I'm going to have a 2-digit quotient. Now, I might have a remainder, I don't know that yet. But I'm going to have a 2-digit quotient. This many digits. 2-digit quotient. So if you have anything more than 2 digits up here, then we got a problem. So now I got to figure out how many times 4 goes into 27. Now how I do that is I'm going to look up here and I'm going to get as close to 27 as I can get without going over. So I have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Oh, 28's too big. So it's got to be 24, which means 4 times 6. So my 6 goes right here above the 27, above the 7, because 4 is going into 27 6 times. I am only going to put one number up here at a time. Every time. Forever. For always. Only going to put one number up there at a time. And the reason we do division after multiplication is so we can list these. I mean, I don't care if it was 344 over here. We're still going to do it the same way. The process is the same, no matter how big the divisor is. So now I looked over here. I have 6 times 4, which is 24. So then I'm going to put that below here. And I'm going to find the difference between 27 and 24. And as my good friend Luke told me, that is 3. Now, I bring down the 9. I'm going to have a number above the 9. So now I go back over here. And I look at my multiples of 4, because 4 is my divisor. That's what I'm putting into this number. I look at my multiples of 4. I want to get as close to 39 as I can without going over. And every time we divide, you're either going to show me this or you're going to show me your multiplication chart. Because that's the way I roll. Close to 39 as I can get without going over. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Well, I'm only going to put one number up there at a time, so I stop at 9. So it's got to be 9. And that 9 has to go directly above that 9, because that shows me it's going into whatever the 9 is here, so down here. And then I ask myself, 9 times 6, which is? 9 times 6, which is? 36. And I subtract, I get 3, so I have 69, remainder 3. Not hard, if we list our multiples. But wait, there's more. Jackson just texted me and said, hey, I want to make sure I get it right. Can we do the inverse operation of division? And I said, inverse operation? And Jackson said, yes, multiplication. And I said, sure, we can do the inverse operation. And that would mean we'd multiply 69 times 4. And my goal is to get 279. So if I multiply 69 times 4, wow, look, I've already got it over here. That's why the multiplication chart is so helpful. I know 4 times 9 is 36 because I wrote it down here. That means 36 ones, or 6 ones and 3 tens. Then I have 4 times 6, which is, boom, 24, plus the 3 I have, 27, 276. Why did I not get 279, Violet? Oh, I still have to add my remainder in. Now I get 279. You can always make sure your division problems are correct. Always. So when you get a division problem wrong, your math teacher, even though he's the biggest jerk in the world, is going to say, oh, you got that one wrong. Go back and show me the division. And you're going to be like,
I don't want to do the
oh, I'm going to say, go back and show me the multiplication.
I don't want to do the multiplication.
And I'll say, oh, wait a minute. I'm the teacher. Do what I say. And you'll be like, whoa, I'm afraid of you now. And I'm going to say, you better be afraid of me now. Then I'm going to have spittle coming out of my mouth because I'm going to be really angry. Because I'm the boss. I'm here. Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless. Love you. Do something today.
Save the bees! Now!
Save the bees. Okay, make me rich. And I promise. So subscribe and make me rich. And I promise.